Boom! What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Deli Dose of Los. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day, man. So I got an update for you guys. First of all, welcome back. So I got a bit of an update. You guys already probably seen the what do you call it? The title, the thumbnail. So let's get to it, man. So we are headed over to Xtrusion Overland, and great thing is they're actually located here in Wichita, Kansas, man. And they're all bed racks and everything are made here in Wichita. So local. Locally made, and made in the USA. So I'm gonna put their Instagram right here somewhere. Yeah, so you guys can check it out. Super dope guys to work with, and because of that reason, they're actually also a Roam Adventure Co. dealer. And so because of that, we're gonna go pick up a new rooftop tent. So you know, guys, I had the Condor XL. Before that, we had the Tupui on the trailer for a little bit, and then on the 4Runner we had the Smitty built. We weren't planning on buying another rooftop tent. We were actually just going to roll with what is maybe buy a Sprinter van and whatnot. But as you guys know, plans have changed, and we decided to add the Bronco to the lineup. So because of that reason, we're going to go ahead and buy another rooftop tent. And why not buy one from someone local and a Roam, since we already have the awning, and that's been great to us. We love it. So we're going to add to it. So that is what's going on. To give you guys a bit of an update on that, but that's kind of what's the story or whatnot. So let's go ahead and get on the road here. About to head on over there, pick it up, meet the guys, check out the shop for a little bit. I think they specialize in bed racks and whatnot, so let's go check it out for a little bit, put the rooftop tent on the trailer and whatnot. So that's kind of what we got going on. That's what I got planned for you guys. So in 3, 2, 1, let's go ahead and start today's episode.
I can spot you from a mile away. Tap the gas and I'm gone, this is not a race. I just bought some racks in. I been, what's happening? It's just me, my guys.
Boom, guys, so we made it to Xtrusion Overland. So I'm gonna go ahead and meet Alan real quick, and first I'm gonna introduce you guys to him, show you a little bit about his stuff, and then we'll go ahead and open up this rooftop tent and get it thrown on the trailer, man. But let's go ahead and come on in here. Boy, what's up, Alan?
Hey, what's happening, Carlos? Coming over.
Hey, man. Hey, man, you guys gotta check out these bed racks, man. Let me show you guys what we got going on. Ooh, the sun's a little bright out here, but you know, we working. Alan, hey, tell them a little about what we do, man.
Hey, man. So yeah, we've got a unique concept over here. We have a bed rack system that it's based out of aluminum extrusion. It's the T-slot aluminum extrusion. So we effectively create universal mounting points across all of the structure, and you know, this way we can create any kind of size, any kind of fitment for any kind of vehicle, and you know, mount anything along the extrusion. So this is one of the demo racks that we had actually for the SEMA Launchpad competition, which we made semifinals this year. So we were out there at SEMA, but yeah, this one was actually shown in the SEMA.
Dude, he was at SEMA.
Yeah, SEMA booth, and we're super excited about that. We got a lot of praise out there for it, and you know, we're super excited. We're a year old. We're here in Wichita, Kansas, and you know, we're very proud of having U.S.-made components. All of it is assembled here in the U.S., and the customers can actually decide, you know, how they want the setup. And basically ship as a kit, and they can assemble it together. So it's yeah, it's a pretty cool concept, and very customizable.
Boy, look at this thing, man. This thing is sturdy.
Yeah, you can you'll have a lot of dynamic load capabilities.
Hey, what I need you guys to do is go on Instagram, follow his stuff, check it out, man. Buy a bunch of bed racks so that we can get one for the trailer, man. We need one for the trailer, but first I need y'all to buy one. If you guys got to pick up, please go buy one, man. Look at this thing. This thing is sturdy. I'm sure this thing would probably support all type of trail riding, man. Look at this. I don't even know, man. This thing's just crazy looking, though. I don't even know. What's the starting price point, Alan?
So starting price point for the base bed rack, it's $799, and then depending on the options, height, different additional components, you know, it goes up from there. The average is about $1,100, but you know, it kind of depends up to you. That's the cool part about it, is like you make it the way you want it.
Hey, man, y'all's heard it. Make it the way y'all want it, man. I know you guys already do. I mean, I've been seeing y'all stuff online, but in a little bit, we'll open up the rooftop tent. We'll get it set up, but I think I'm going to see if Alan can show us his Raptor, man. That thing is clean. You know, that was kind of on the list between after the 4Runner. Should we get Lexus, a full-size pickup? What should we do, right? I'll see if he can show us a little bit around the Raptor real quick. But super excited, you know, ready to get another rooftop tent, man. Ready to go camping, ready to just get out and about again, man. It's been a while, especially since the 4Runner incident. So let's go and open this bad boy up.
I see you and you see me, you wanna ride the wave. I can spot you from a mile away. Tap the gas and I'm gone, this is not a race. I just bought some racks in. What's happening? It's just me, my guys, I'm got no rap friends. You ain't see the front but talking back ends. Oh, I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. Oh my God, 3 cars, 5 jobs, slam door, off the law. Shorty said she got the web, I just want the rob. Posted money on the snap, that'll get you robbed. Nike tech, shot wet, 3 dice bet. Hey, crack flags, this is not a question. I don't ever practice, never act in, always act in. Back in 2010, we all sipping activists. Now these beats are taking damage like my kidneys is. Already got the crib.
All right, guys, so we got the rooftop tent mounted up to the trailer, so as you guys can see it's back there. It's super sweet looking, man. I'll open it up when we get to the house and show you guys, but in the meantime, check out the rigs real quick, dude.
Stayed down till I came up, now I'm 2 in it. Money in my sleep, I'm a true business. I need a Louis bag for all this cash or something. Can't fit it in my pockets, got me mad at some. Hit a 10 to a 20, now it's adding up. I'm not bragging, I'm just bagging up. Yeah. Oh, I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go.
All right, guys, we've officially made it home with the tent on the trailer. And I apologize, they are doing some remodeling across the street. Let me fix that focus. There we go. They're doing some remodeling across the street, so what you can hear is just a nail gun, and there's a busy street next door. But nonetheless, let's open up the tent. Let me show you guys what this bad boy looks like. Put in the comments what color you guys think we got for the tent. Or did you guys already see it? You guys already seen it, didn't you? Too late. Too late. I'm too late to that. Hey, first person put it in the comments what color they think it is. First person put in the comments what color they think it is. Just put your Instagram handle and I will shoot you a PM and I'll send you some stickers and a patch. How about that? First person in the comments, put your Instagram handle. I don't know, a couple of people. How about the first 5 people? Put your Instagram handle and I'll send you a PM for your address and I'll send you a patch and some stickers. But let's go and open up this bad boy. Let's see what it's all about. Alright guys, it's officially set up. Check this bad boy out. Look at it. Oh, it's on here. It's the same color as the awning. So, for the first 5 people that guessed it, that didn't see it, or that skipped through the video, whoever put it in the comments, send me a PM, or I'll send you a PM, whatever, and I'll send you a patch and some stickers here. But look at this bad boy, man. I mean, I like it. It matches the awning, which is cool, man. You know, I just gotta live that little color combination lifestyle. I don't even know if that's even a real lifestyle or not. But look at this bad boy. Luckily, the neighbors don't live here, because I am all in their yard. Boy, I gotta get a camper trip on the books, man, with this tent and the Lexus, man. I gotta get one on here. Dude, it's December and it's like 60 degrees out here. I was actually sweating putting this bad boy on here. Let me give you guys one more time. Anyways, there we go. The rooftop tent's been purchased. It's been added to the trailer. It's been opened. It's been installed. So far, reviews, pros and cons. First initial review. I love it, man. I like it. I love it. Rome has actually done a great job at adding a bunch of little accessories that come with it that just make the camping, the rooftop tent lifestyle a lot more easier to live, right? Cons, I really don't have a con, honestly, right now. None I can think of. So as soon as I have some, I'll definitely let you guys know. Maybe I'll do a review on the awning and the rooftop tent, like a 6-month review or something. I don't know, maybe. Is that what you guys want to see? If you guys want to see it, put it in the comments. Nonetheless, man, shout out to the guys over at Xtrusion Overland for helping us put this deal together. Like I said, they are a Rome dealer, so because of them, we were able to get this great deal on Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. So nonetheless, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy up, put a trailer away, and I gotta hit the gym. So if y'all like today's video, y'all know what to do. Hit the like button. Go check out Xtrusion Overland if you haven't already. Like I said, their Instagram, their stuff is already in the should be in the comments, not in the comments, but in the description. Go check their stuff out, man, and let's put some money away, man. Let's see if we can save some money and build a rack for this a little bit bigger, so we can use the awning room that's down there for this bad boy. Because this rack that's on this trailer is not that tall, or actually is not tall at all. Doesn't allow us to use the awning room, but we got the awning room because we did. So I don't know. I feel like I just keep talking. This video's drawn out. It's taking too long. I'm out of here. Y'all know what to do, man. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already. And if you want to continue to see more videos, hit the like button if you like today's video. And nonetheless, you know what to do. Follow your path. Peace.